comes a time when we hear a certain call, when we must not come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, it's time to wash our hands to prevent the greatest plague of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that somewhere we shall find a cure. We are all about one big great quarantine, and the truth you know, the cure is all we need. We are the cure, we are the treatment, we are the cure. If we stay at home and not spread COVID-19, that's the choice we have to make. We say it in our own lives. It's true, we better stay at home, and you and me. No. It's true, we better stay at home, but you and me.